on, Jeremy. Hey! Well, it's not far down to paradise. At least it's not for me. And if the wind is right, you can sail away. Find tranquility. It's not far to Never Land. Right here, Jeremy. Sailing takes me away to where I always heard it could be. Take the last part, take the last part. Come on. Come on, Jeremy, sing the next part.
I don't know the song, so I'm gonna just...
Hey! Don't you dare disrespect Christopher Cross and try to escape in the middle of his biggest hit.